Hi friends, Miss Darla here, and today we are going to be making a walking rainbow! For this experiment, you are going to need 7 glass jars or cups, food coloring, water, and 6 paper towels. Line your jars up in a row. Then you're going to add water to every other one, starting with the first one, the third one, the fifth one, and the 7th one. You'll want the jars to be 3/4 full. Next, you're going to take food coloring and mix it into the water. You'll start off with red, then yellow, then blue, and then finish up with red. Don't be shy to really put a lot of food coloring in there. Then give your colors a good stir, making sure not to mix the colors. Next, you're going to want to take all of your paper towels and one by one fold them in half, and then fold them in half again. Then you'll want to rip off about 1 to 1.5 inches of the end of your paper towel, depending on how tall your glasses are. You don't want your paper towels to stick up in the air too much. Then you're going to take your paper towel and put them in between each one. Make sure that the end that is in the liquid is submerged fully, and make sure that when you put the paper towel into the empty jar, the 2 paper towel ends are touching. Once you have secured your paper towels, you will see that the color will begin to defy gravity, moving up the paper towel through a process called capillary action. As time goes on, you will see the paper towels get more and more saturated, and then you will see the liquid begin to move from one jar to the next. After about 20 minutes, you will see that you now have the full range of the rainbow with red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. Well, friends, I hope you've enjoyed this experiment, and I hope that you get to make your very own walking rainbow at home too.